Okay, applying gentle pressure now. As you can see, the contents are extruding smoothly. We want to avoid trauma to the skin.
This pimple has been forming under the skin for days. What's inside this will surprise you. This is why your acne keeps coming back in the same spot. You won't believe what's trapped inside. Some pimples come back in the exact same pore. Acne can be influenced by your sleep quality. Your skin can become resistant to certain treatments over time. Even clean skin can still get acne. Every pimple is like a tiny time capsule. It holds days of buildup your skin couldn't release. What you're seeing isn't just a pimple. It's your body sealing off a microscopic problem. A pimple forms when your skin's cleaning system gets overwhelmed. This tiny bump is actually a traffic jam of oil, cells, and bacteria.
As you can see here, the contents of the pore are gently extracted without causing trauma to the surrounding tissue.